Hey guys, so today I am unboxing Jhope's Jack in the Box Hope Edition. I am so excited. So excited. I got the Target exclusive. So I don't know why the Target exclusive sticker is not on here. But I'm really excited. So yes. I'm so excited. First things first, I cannot believe we got a physical CD of Jack in the Box because when this album first dropped, I was kind of disappointed that we didn't get a CD. But, you know, me running my mouth. Probably I wasn't. No. Okay, I'm keeping everything sealed. Because look at this. Okay. We are gonna move. Oh, I got the pink Hope. So there's the paper toy. I don't think there's anything in the book, right? Right. Okay. I don't know what she's talking about. Okay. We are gonna flip through this together. I'm really excited. I have noticed I look ridiculous, like when I'm filming, I look kind of ridiculous at pointing at things. When I go back to film Ed, I'm literally pointing right at it. So there's that. I'm really hoping to pull one of his hat cards because don't know why I'm a sucker for those type of cards. Like I'm a sucker for Sanrio theme cards. Like yes. So excited. Forgive me if you hear some growling because I haven't ate yet today. And that is a must. That is a must. So I knew I was going to unbox this a day late, but it'll probably be, so by the time you're seeing this, today is Saturday when I'm filming this, and this will be posted on a Monday. So, and I want to kind of make up for, is that the spine? Oh, I gotta be careful. I so need to be careful. Because these pictures, I miss you, Hobie. My mom is a big Hobie stan, along with Jen and JK. So, yeah. But I can't believe I got pink Hope like I wanted. It wouldn't matter, but I really wanted pink Hope the most. So, yeah. Like, that is so cute. I saw that someone made, like, I'm pretty sure it was Max Create. I could be, I'm pretty sure I saw it was her. But regardless, I had seen that she posted on her story. And, someone made a Sunny Angel version of Hobie's Jack in the Box little thing. So, that is everything. This will most likely be my only copy I get of Jack in the Box because you cannot tell what you're getting inside. And I don't want to risk getting a duplicate. I have both versions. I'm not going to pull this out, but this is basically a paper toy. You can make this, so I'm really excited to do that later. When my nose isn't either playing video games or reading away during my free time. So everything comes in a little baggie. We're just gonna move this all to the side. I'm pretty sure this is the Target exclusive while everything else is, you know. So basically, oh, the stickers are so cute. What is this? Oh, it's the title track. The tracks. In case you're wondering, I do love all of Jhope's songs on his album, but the one that I love the most is Arson. I love Arson so much. Oh, the Lollapalooza version of that is on here. That is so cool. Okay, Jhope, let's see this poster. There's that. Didn't you have the cute stickers? I believe there's two. Here's one, Mint Hope and Pink Hope. These are so cute. And lastly, the CD. Oh my god. That is so cool. Finally, Jhope's CD album is on a CD. Okay, let's see the pulls. Target exclusive. Ah! It's so cute. Okay. First album PC pull. Okay, stop and oh! I said I wanted one of the beanie PCs. And I think Jhope heard me. Listen to me sounding like a delulu. Oh my goodness, he's so cute in that one PC. Like, I love my pulls. I can't believe I pulled. So, practically Mint Jhope. And I kind of knew what the Target exclusive was because I saw it online. So, let me gather everything up. So, that is it for my unboxing of J-Hope's Jack in the Box Hope Edition. I hope you guys enjoyed. I love my pulls, and it turns out my mom got the same exact version and the same exact pulls. So, that is really exciting. Anyways, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to like, subscribe, turn on the bell, that way you'll not miss any of my videos, and be sure to check out in my description regarding important links. Those are very important. And also be sure to comment down video suggestions. I would love to hear them. And that is it for this video, and I will talk to you guys for my next video. Bye guys!